I already went over this with the Hoover Nano, and so I have a clean pad, black pad this time, and I'm going to go back over this area with the Kirby and see all of the stuff that the Hoover left behind. Okay, so looks like the Hoover left quite a bit of stuff down. Look, there's still all of that it left. And it started losing airflow, so I will put in another clean black test pad. And we will see what I can get up again. So that was test pad number 2, and I will put in test pad number 3. And this is my last black test pad, so sorry about that. Well, as you can see, the Hoover Nano left a lot a lot of this stuff behind. So that's 3 pads right there of stuff. So I will go back over with the bag on and get all the rest of it out. But yeah, the Hoover Nano apparently has nothing on the Kirby. So hope you enjoyed the video.